Can wind turbines survive and handle the terrifying force of tornado winds? Let's take a look at this rare footage showing wind turbine facing dusty tornado storm. These violent vortexes of wind can reach unimaginable speeds, tearing through everything in their path and leaving a trail of destruction behind. Surprisingly, this wind turbine has survived this extreme wind condition. Look at the flexibility of the wind turbine blades and structural resilience during such high wind loads. Wind turbines are designed to withstand high winds, but they can be damaged or destroyed by tornadoes. The amount of damage that a tornado causes to a wind turbine depends on the strength of the tornado and the distance that the turbine is from the tornado's path. In general, wind turbines are designed to withstand winds of up to 140 miles per hour. However, tornadoes can have winds of up to 300 miles per hour. Strong winds from a tornado can cause the turbine's blades to break, the tower to collapse, or the foundation to be damaged. In some cases, wind turbines can be repaired after being damaged by a tornado. However, in other cases, the damage is so severe that the turbine must be replaced. Wind turbine makers also perform a range of stress tests on blades to ensure structural robustness. This can include attaching large exciters to the blades, which bounce up and down, simulating the repeated stresses of winds on the structure. Giant blades are also sometimes bent to the point of breaking. During this testing period, the turbines are subjected to millions of cycles. This way, they can make sure the turbines can withstand over 25 years of work time. The following are some measures that can be taken to reduce the risk of damage to wind turbines from tornadoes. Wind turbines should be located in areas that are less likely to be hit by tornadoes. This could include areas that are surrounded by hills or mountains, or areas that are located far away from major cities. Wind turbines should be made from strong materials that can withstand high winds. Wind turbines can be equipped with safety features that can help to protect them from tornadoes. This could include features that automatically shut down the turbine in high winds, or features that help to prevent the turbine's blades from breaking. By taking these measures, it is possible to reduce the risk of damage to wind turbines from tornadoes. However, it is important to remember that no structure is completely immune to the effects of a tornado.